Hey everybody, welcome back. This is day one of absolute value equations. Previously, we've learned about linear functions and quadratic functions. Today, we're going to learn about absolute value equations. What are we going to learn about them? Well, specifically, we're going to learn what they are, how we can graph them, and what happens when we change some of the constraints. So this video is going to be very brief. I'm just going to show you what you'll be doing in Desmos, and then you've got it from there. So you're going to start by reading the introduction. You're then going to fill out a table. You're going to try your first function by using this function here, filling out the table, and it will automatically graph here. Like that point. I don't think that's right. You'll then see the shape of the graph here and have to analyze why it looks the way that it does. You'll try another equation. Notice the negative here. You'll do the same thing. You'll analyze why you think it looks the way that it does. From there, you'll have a brief discussion with your class, and anything that you learn from that discussion is what you'll write here. Then, you're going to be exploring what happens with the range. You can annotate this graph for any key features, and then you'll do a brief comparison of this line, this linear function, to this absolute value equation. You'll explore what happens when you change the value of a. So this is y equals 1 times the absolute value of x. Now y equals negative 4.9 times the absolute value of x. So notice what happens when we change a. You'll write about what you noticed. And then, this is my favorite part, then you get to play around a little bit. What happens if you change the constant at the end? What happens if you change a or b? And you'll describe what you found there. Finally, you get to have some fun. You get to try to match this function, meaning try to get this absolute value equation to go through each of these points here. You'll then get to do it here by changing some of these values, and then finally, by writing your own equation. And that's it. I hope you have a good time. I hope you learn a lot, and I look forward to seeing you here tomorrow. Bye.